welcome to the other side of my shop. Usually I've got my camera on the good side, but this is the bad side. This is the storage side. And I'm going to be reorganizing and getting this all set up with my tools. But I want to give you a view of it ahead of time so that you can see that hopefully the transformation it goes through in the next couple of weeks. And here we go. So this is the front window. Here is one little workbench I have, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let you see all the mess because there's a lot of junk in here. So I've got a little bit of wood stored over there, but furniture that needs to get out of here. And there's a miter saw that needs to go because it's dangerous. This is the work table that I was working on. Turned out a little bit too high, so I want to get some smaller wheels on it and take this down to a narrower top. Okay, so I have this great little miniature cutting table here. It's not really that miniature. Anyway, these are all the shelves that I have filled completely. This was an awning factory and fabric was all over. See all that stuff? That's leather crafting supplies, sewing machines, sewing supplies, furniture up there. It is loaded with junk, so I've got to get it cleaned up. Here's another nice workbench right here that's just kind of jutting out, and I've got some tools on there. And then I've got another industrial machine here, and then Black Beauty right there. Then we go up and I've got foam storage. See, it's just visually very unpleasant. And there's my air compressor. This is the other side. There's another workbench and my old dining room chairs. Behind that is my dining room table. I'm telling you, this has to go. This particle board is a day bed that a woman is working on. There's a chair that was my mother's and the legs broke off and I just kind of saved the top of it. And then I have these great, you can't see them, upside down white chairs that I want to hang on to in case I ever move somewhere where I can put them. So this area is long and narrow. So I'm going to back up down here so you can see. And it has to be cleared out for one thing and then somehow reorganized. But I feel like I need to clear those shelves off. And I also have storage cabinets here and here. And I have a bunch of easels and ladders and junk. There's a lot of junk in here. This is one of my favorite pieces of furniture right there. I'm hanging on to that. And I've got my little kitchenette here. And then you pop around and now we're back on that side. So as you can see, this is just kind of like one of those long, narrow living rooms you don't know what to do with. So if anybody has any great ideas on how to organize this, that would be a welcome gift to me. And anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing in the next few weeks on and off to get this set up for more of the woodworking that's coming. See, I also have fabric rolls up there, leather. Oy, I look at this, it makes me anxious. All right, so wait, let's leave on a good note and show you the nice clean side almost. Now that's all cleared up there. And then my little lounge area, I need to rearrange that too. So this is my home away from home, homeroom, and if any of you are ever in or around Indianapolis, please come and visit me. My rope walls. I'm walking towards the front door so you can see. It's very spacious. Okay, that's it. Bye.